Hello YouTube, welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. Hello, welcome to room 216 at Caesars Southern Indiana Resort. So I'm going to show you guys a little room tour. So this right here is our bathroom. So we got a full bath, we got a tub over there, we got a bathroom. And we got this mirror right here, which it's your typical mirror. And then this right here is our bedding setup. Now what's great about this, and I think is really good, is that the TV is right here and we get Louisville channels. Now, we also get this right here, which I think this is really nice. We even get this bed. Now, our view, now let's just say you guys are not from around here and you guys come in on this highway right here, okay? And then after that, you guys go up parking, go up that way, and then after that, you guys are in like the parking area. So if you guys going down there, you guys see where that balcony is. That is near one of the lounges that is there at the casino. Now that big long thing right there, that's an interesting thing because that's the runway. Like there's a moving sidewalk that goes all the way down there. Now I'm going to tell you guys something else which is great about this hotel, which they got coffee over here. So you guys see right there, which luckily it's made with Starbucks, which I'm happy. So if I turn you guys around to my computer, so they are logging you into this Wi-Fi right here, okay? So then after that, you can book your stay, you can skip the line, you can manage your account, you can reserve a table, connect with your host. Now then, after that, you guys got to go to this website right here, which is called the Caesars Southern Indiana website for Wi-Fi. So let's go back to radio reference, okay? And I'll show you this area. Because this area has some really interesting radios, just saying. So it shows that you are in Floyd County. See, Floyd County gets a county jail, gets their own EMA network, their fire dispatch, their fire tactical, then Floyd County Highway Department, then Georgetown Public Works, and then down here, AMR EMS in the city of New Albany as well. So, but you guys see that we are all connected on this system, the Indiana Project Hoosier Safety Network. Now, I was doing a question to some people on my radio reference form, which is from this area. So we go on down, and I'm going to show this to you guys. So we click on Indiana, and then after that, we go on here to the Indiana State Fair radio frequencies. Now, this is what you guys got right here. Ops 1, all this. This right here is on our DMR for operations. This is on our P25 system. Now, what's neat about that, and honestly, I kind of am happy that we got that because there's been a lot of talk I've been here lately on the radio scanner traffic that's going on in this area. So the way that we went this way, boom. So we went down this way. Then there's a bridge right here, which I think that bridge there is a bridge that goes in here. So we click on here, and then I'm going to show you guys something which you guys are not going to believe. So we go here to the Fort Knox system. See, partly encrypted, partly encrypted. All this is almost like partly encrypted, okay? So then after that, we click on Hardin County. So you see NAC, that's where they're P25, 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 partly encrypted for Elizabethtown, Rykoff, P25, P25, P25. Now their radio system here, I've been hearing a mixture of DMR singles in a mixture of different areas. So which you guys are probably thinking, Tommy, why in the world do you like going here? And the thing is that I like about this place, I like how comfortable their beds are. Now the thing is, they only got 2 pillows. That's the great part, because I only need 2 pillows to sleep on. So another thing which I think is kind of interesting, and I am really proud of, that this area has, is that their radio scanner feeds are really kind of interesting in this area. So if you guys use like the scanner radio or something like that, that gives you guys a pretty big idea on like what the radio scanner feeds sound like and like what the range control sounds like. Now, I'm trying not to be a bargain on this, but give these people some chance, because they would remind you of like you're inside our area, which I'm okay with that. So also, which I think is really interesting, a Louisville Zoo has operations on their analog, which I did not see that while I was there. Now tomorrow, whenever I go on the Bell Louisville, I will make sure to make a video while I'm down there. All right, guys, that's it. This is part 1 of Tommy's stay at Caesars Center, Indiana. In tomorrow's video, I'll be making part 2 of going to Bell Louisville.